Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you trying to back up your smart wallet? If yes, then here is how you can do it. It is a simple process which takes a couple of minutes. First of all, launch open the Smart Wallet application on your device, and once you're inside the home page of the wallet, go ahead and tap on the Wallet drop-down at the top left corner. You'll then come across the My Wallets tab, where you'll be able to see all of your wallets in the list. Go ahead and select open one of the wallets you'd like to back up, and on the next page where it says Wallet Setting, click on Recovery Phrase. Enter your code for your smart wallet, and then you'll be able to see the Recovery Phrase button. Simply go ahead and press and hold at the bottom of the screen to see your recovery phrases. Now write down the recovery phrases in a piece of a paper and store it somewhere safe. Once you've done that, you'll be able to back up your recovery phrase correctly. Remember, you should never share your recovery phrase or backup file. Do not save the backup details in public or shared device, and also avoid screenshots if the application warns against it. So that's how you easily back up your smart wallet in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.